hunters were invited back to hunt the same leads. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Doing this will help Don pay for his gas, ammo, and beer. That'll help. Dan was taught at a young age to hunt by his father and his father's hunting friends. The hunting season in Central Texas begins September 1st every year. It is an annual tradition for Dan and many Texans to hunt dove. Dan has been hunting doves since 1970. Over the years, Dan has learned a great many things about this sport.
The most important thing you should bring with you is your hunting license. I'll be using a Beretta semi-automatic 12-gauge shotgun and 7.5 shot ammo. I recommend a hunting bag or ammo pouch, a cap, trash bags, sandwich bags, water, an ice chest with ice, and don't forget the sunblock.
Hey, Dan.
Yes?
I thought you wanted me to narrate this story.
Oh, crap.
So why the hell are you jumping in?
I'm sorry. I guess I got carried away.
I can leave and let you narrate.
No, I'm sorry. Please proceed.
Dan will wear a camo-style shirt and boots to dove hunt. His high-top hunting boots will protect against snake bites. When hunting in the country, one must be aware of his or her surroundings. There are usually wild animals, insects, and poisonous plants that can injure a person. Snakes, coyotes, and wild pigs live in most wooded areas. Fire ants, killer bees, and wasps can also ruin your day if you are stung. Many people are allergic to poison ivy or pollen from ragweed and other plants.
Hey, David, tell them about that time.
What are you talking about, Dan?
You know, that time when people said we sprayed our gunshots on their houses. Remember?
Yes, I do.
They called the police. Luckily, we were already 500 feet away from the houses.
Okay. Be mindful of where your shotgun shells, BB pellets are landing. What goes up must come down. One should never hunt dove near homes, highways, or roads. In Texas, the law says one must stay 500 feet away from those structures.
Yeah. Remember, we were with my buddies hunting and drinking beer, and the cops showed up.
I don't think you should tell people that. Please don't do that. It is not safe to drink alcohol or use drugs when shooting firearms.
Oh, yeah, right. Hey, I'm gonna go get me a soda. You want one?
No thanks. Bye, Felicia.
Okay.
Moving on, another safety measure to remember is never point a gun at a person, even if it is not loaded. Nothing good can come from doing that. Always keep your weapon on safety. Look at the recent incident with Alec Baldwin. These are just a few tips Dan shares with you. Please hit the like button below if you found any of the information useful. And please subscribe to this channel. Next, Catch and Release Outdoors will show you how he hunts dove. Thank you for watching.